Now, the family of a young South Florida woman stabbed to death in a botched robbery 3 years ago is demanding justice. They're in court for the sentencing of the young man who killed their daughter. CBS 4's Gary Nelson talked to them this afternoon. He's live outside the Broward County Courthouse in Fort Lauderdale with the story for us. Gary.
Well, this young fellow was convicted of committing a cold-blooded murder more than 3 years ago. He's locked up here in the Broward County Jail. The question a judge must decide now is, will he remain locked up for the rest of his life with no hope of parole? DeMarcus Tucker was just 15 when he broke into the Oakland Park apartment of 19-year-old Nicole Franco, who was studying to be a professional chef, and stabbed the young woman to death in her bed.
Guilty of murder.
A jury convicted him of first-degree murder. There was a confession and his DNA on Nicole's bedspread. Now a judge must decide this now 18-year-old's fate in a sentencing hearing.
I saw him as having the most difficulty with at the time was managing and controlling his behavior, particularly, his anger.
A school psychologist testified Tucker at the time had the coping skills of a kindergartner. Another expert said he was abused as a child.
He told me that his father would punch him in his face, hit me with an extension cord.
But Nicole Franco's parents, Terry and Steve, didn't want to hear about behavior disorders or child abuse.
All this in here now has nothing to do with anything. He
knew what he was doing.
He knew what he was doing.
He knew what he was doing. He went right into the kitchen, got a knife. He knew what he was doing.
Sorry.
And if his father beat him, he should have killed his father. That's how I feel it. This is all about his rights and all his. What about my daughter's stuff? What about my daughter's rights?
Judge Tim Bailey will have the final say when he sentences convicted killer DeMarcus Tucker next month. Now, under Florida law, an adult convicted of first-degree murder gets automatic life in prison with no hope of parole. The judge has no discretion, but the United States Supreme Court a few years back ruled that when it comes to juvenile killers, they are entitled to a sentencing hearing, and the judge, if the judge chooses, may reduce that mandatory minimum life sentence. We'll see how this plays out when this hearing resumes next month. For now, we're live in Fort Lauderdale. Gary Nelson, CBS 4 News.